Hello everyone, and welcome to SISA AI PRISM, your destination for everything cutting edge in cybersecurity in AI. Today, we're spotlighting a powerful yet often invisible component that powers your AI models, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It's the digital nerve center enabling AI to interact with external systems, but also a growing hotspot for cyber threats. To walk us through real-world vulnerabilities and what it takes to secure MCP, we have with us Dr. Anjan Krishnamurthy, the visionary behind AI PRISM and a global expert in securing AI systems.
Hello everyone. We have seen the vulnerabilities of MCP, and now we can discuss about how MCP is all about, and it basically is an interaction to the external tools and databases which boosts the AI performance and broadens the attack surface. There are different responsibilities which the MCP basically takes care of, as what you see here. And the vulnerabilities are a huge list with lack of observability, SQL injection, network exposure, sensitive data logging, and unauthorized access. We recently saw a MCP server going with a data leak in the Asana where cross-company information was basically leaked in this particular case. And when we saw poor access control and data isolation was a major issue in the MCP, it basically is very important to tighten the security and alerts its user about what is the data that is basically flowing in with the AI MCP servers. And it's also important to implement a strong authentication system and block malicious commands and ensure that the suspicious activities are basically monitored, and also keep the entire ecosystem with the software updated. That is where we recommend CSPAI, which is the world's first ANAB accredited course endorsed by certain, which can basically give a focus and educate ourselves on securing the next generation AI risks and making you ready to tackle the challenges of the future. Thank you.